kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to have an excited day for you all. But before that, let's start today's day with a prayer song because God's blessing is very important to us before we start anything. Let's begin our prayer song. I want all the children to now join your hands and close your eyes and sing the prayer song. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do, it's a gift to you. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do, it's a gift to you. Now, open your eyes, children. Okay, children, I want all of you to learn this song. This is our school's prayer song. Dear parents, I request all of you to kindly teach the wordings of this song to the kids as it is our regular school prayer song. Bye, children.
Hello kids, you have done with your prayer song and you got blessing also, right? Now let's do little warm up. Would you like to do warm up with song? Let's do it.
Your hands high above, do it the way I do. Clap your hands down below, do it the way I do. Wave your hands to the right, do it the way I do. Wave your hands to the left, do it the way I do. Roll your hands high above, do it the way I do. Roll your hands down below, do it the way I do. Point your hand to the right, do it the way I do. Point your hand to the left, do it the way I do.
So children, you enjoyed it? I hope you like it. Let's do once again, okay?
Clap your hands high above, do it the way I do. Clap your hands down below, do it the way I do. Wave your hands to the right, do it the way I do. Wave your hands to the left, do it the way I do. Roll your hands high above, do it the way I do. Roll your hands down below, do it the way I do. Point your hand to the right, do it the way I do. Point your hand to the left, do it the way I do.
So I hope you enjoyed it. We'll meet soon, okay? Till then, bye.
Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your Remy teacher. Do you know what we are going to do today? You have no idea, right? Yes, that is a surprise for you. Do you want to see what is there behind my back? Yes, it's a game zone. We are going to play a game. Before the game, teacher will give you an instruction to follow. Okay? So the first thing is you're going to listen carefully, see, follow me, and you're going to follow that. Okay? The game is the teacher will say the word and you're going to do the action. Before that, I'll show you the action. Okay? So there are first word is mask, sanitizer, namaste. Nice, no the game is? Yes. Once again I'll do it. Mask, sanitizer. Namaste. Mask. Namaste. Sanitizer. Namaste. Mask. Yes, now we are going to play the game. You all got it right? Yes, parents, you are going to help them. Okay, if anybody does wrong, parents, you just correct them. Okay, let's start the game. Mask. Namaste. Sanitizer. Yay, you did the wrong one. Now, once again. Mask. Namaste. Sanitizer. Mask. Sanitizer. Namaste. Namaste. Mask. Sanitizer. Yes, you all played very well. I hope you all enjoyed the game. Yes, you all enjoyed the game, right? See you next time. Okay, children? Bye.
Everyone, this is Jayashri teacher. I have come with an activity. Today we are going to make a party hat. Come on, let's start with an activity. We'll require a sheet of paper, sellotape, Fevicol, scissors and few decorative items. We have to fold the paper and we have to make it in a cone shape. Then extra paper you have to cut it. Apply here Fevicol and stick it. You can put sellotape inside. Now in the base you have to make it the even part. For that you have to cut the base for even part. Please parents, don't give the scissors to children. Be careful while doing this activity. Now our cone shape is ready. Now we can now take some decorative items and apply Fevicol here and stick it here. Yes, and you can stick this frill also. Apply Fevicol and stick this frill here. Now teacher will put here sellotape as we have to make it, no? Okay, now this our hat is ready. Okay, we can even wear this party wear hat, and we can use as a play. We have to take the waste newspaper and crumple it, and you can make it ball and you can use it as play. Yay! You can play with your mummy and daddy. Mummy will throw and you will catch. Okay? This is, and teacher has made this paper hat also. So if you don't have colorful paper, you can use this hat. Okay, children? Okay? Bye. See you again.
Hi children, let's welcome each other by singing and dancing. Are you all ready?
Sing a welcome song.
Children, I hope you all enjoyed the welcome song.
Hello, children. Did you enjoy your session with all of us today? I'm pretty sure you all did. So, my dear children, what I am suggesting is that do practice all the activities taught today by us at home and share your experience when we meet next time. And I'm sure you all will love doing all the activities at home. And the teachers have taught so beautifully. So do practice at home, okay? Parents, I would suggest that please make sure your child learns our school prayer at home so that they are well versed with it. And help the children and encourage them to do the activities taught today by all the teachers at home. And I'm sure you all will love it if you yourself do the activities with your child. Till then, parents, take care, be safe, and children, enjoy at home. Do take care of yourself and do the activities until we meet next time. Bye, children.